Arthropoda. It is the largest phylum. It is bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, or it has organ system level. It is metamerically segmented. It is coelomate. Digestive tract is complete. Circulatory system is open type. Body divided into three regions: head, thorax, and abdomen. In some, head and thorax fuse to form cephalothorax. They have jointed appendages. Arthro means jointed, poda means foot or appendages. Body covered by chitinous exoskeleton. Coelom filled with blood, hence it is called as hemocoel. The respiration by gills. For prawns, book gills by king crabs, tracheal system by insects, and book lungs by scorpion. Blood, it is colorless, called hemolymph in insects. Respiratory pigment absent. Copper containing pigment hemocyanin found in some arthropods, that is prawn. Excretory organs are antennary or green glands, example prawn. Coxal glands, example scorpion. Malpighian tubule, example insect. Excretory matter is ammonia in aquatic animals and uric acid in land animals. Nervous system, nerve ring and a double solid and ventral nerve cord bearing ganglia. They have high degree of cephalization. Sensory organs like simple eyes or compound eyes or both, antennae, statocysts that maintain balance, and anal cerci are found. They are mostly dioecious, that is sexes separate. Fertilization is usually internal and sexual dimorphism may be present. They are mostly oviparous and development may be direct or indirect. Arthropods are the most successful invaders of the terrestrial environment due to presence of cuticle, appendages, and wings. Economically important insect: Apis, that is honeybee; Bombyx, that is silkworm; and Laccifer, that is lac insects. Vectors: Anopheles and Culex and Aedes mosquitoes. Gregarious pest: Locusta, locust. Living fossil, that is Limulus, king crab. Butterfly, scorpion. Scorpion is viviparous. Mostly they are oviparous, but the exception is scorpion. They are viviparous. Prawn, spider, cyclops, centipede, millipede, peripatus, etc. Scorpions are viviparous as eggs hatch within the female body, hence brings forth young ones alive. The process of shedding exoskeleton is called ecdysis or molting. Peripatus, which has characters of Annelida and Arthropoda, and hence it is a connecting link between Annelida and Arthropoda. So peripatus is connecting link between Annelida and Arthropoda. What is a living fossil? Animal of ancient origin with many primitive characters is called living fossil. For example, living fossil Limulus, king crab. So this is a peripatus. Now this is Limulus, king crab or horseshoe crab. This is Apis dorsata. This is Bombyx mori, that is silkworm. This is Locusta, that is a gregarious pest. And this is Laccifer or lac insect. So let's read what is given in NCERT. Phylum Arthropoda. This is the largest phylum of Annelida, which includes insect. Over 2/3 of all named species on earth are arthropods. They have organ system level of organization. They are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic. They are segmented and coelomate animals. The body of arthropod is covered by chitinous exoskeleton. The body consists of head, thorax, and abdomen. They have jointed appendages, that is arthros means joint and poda means appendages. Respiratory organs are gills, book gills, book lungs, or tracheal system. Circulatory system is of open type. Sensory organs like antennae, eyes, compound or simple eyes, statocyst or balance organs are present. Excretion takes place through Malpighian tubules. They are mostly dioecious, that is sexes separate. Fertilization is usually internal. They are mostly oviparous, except scorpion, it is viviparous. Development may be direct or indirect. Examples of economically important insects are Apis, that is honeybee; Bombyx, silkworm; Laccifer, lac insect. The vectors are Anopheles, Culex, and Aedes mosquitoes. The gregarious pest is Locusta, that is locust, and living fossil Limulus, that is king crab. Here, the first diagram is given of locust. The second diagram is of butterfly. The third diagram, C diagram, is of scorpion, and the fourth diagram, D, prawn. It has a hemocyanin, copper containing pigment, blue pigment. Thank you.